Guess what? I got in this bucket. Nada. Not a thing. You know why? Because what's up? Y'all already know I'm hungry. Hey y'all, today I got this place called Jollibee. I keep seeing it online. I keep seeing it on different mukbangs and stuff like that. So I said, let me give it a shot. And little did I know, I didn't live too far from one. So let's go ahead and take a bite, see how it tastes. It's my first time having it, so you're gonna enjoy it with me. I didn't get that much, you guys, because guess what? They told me that the white meat had to be made to order, and I had to wait 30 minutes. So no breasts and no wings, and I'm assuming no chicken breast sandwiches. So I didn't get a lot. Because of that, and I really just wanted. I don't eat dark meat, so I had spicy tenders in this box and fries. And in this box, I got let me show y'all what I got. I got spicy legs, 2 spicy legs. All right, 2 spicy legs, spicy tenders. I got a peach mango pie. I got a root beer. They were out of Pepsi. And guess what I got in this box right here, in this bucket? You ain't gonna believe what I got in this right here. You ready? Guess what? I got in this bucket. Nada. Not a thing. You know why? Because I had to pre-order or made to order the chicken breasts and all the white meat, and that's what I came there for. Breasts, wings, and all that stuff, and chicken sandwiches. So whatever, it is what it is. It is what it is. Empty bucket for an empty promise. Can you believe that? Really? Alright. This right here is gravy, y'all. Why they gave me 3 gravies? I don't know. 3 gravies. I guess you get a gravy per chicken. I don't know. But 3 gravies. So the gravy must be very, very good. This place is based out of Philippines. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Way too much. Yeah, way too much. Let's go ahead and get it started. A little spicy stick. Yay! Dang, I got spicy chicken. All they did was just sprinkle some spicy stuff on there. It ain't really spicy inside of it. It got good flavor though. Really good flavor. That gravy and this chicken, it's got a good little kick to it. Not gonna lie, I got a good taste to it. But I would really be loving to have a chicken breast right now. A chicken breast and a chicken wing. I'm not a gravy person at all. In fact, it's probably my second and third time having gravy in my whole life. I'm not lying. But it's good. Not bad. They didn't give me no condiments, no ketchup, no sauce for my barbecue. I mean, for my tenders. All I got is gravy. So I'm assuming they say you get gravy and you put it on everything you eat. You get 3 gravies for everything. Let's dip it in the gravy. Maybe that's what it's for. Nope. Not even. But I did bring my own, to the party, just in case I was gonna need to have it. Just in case I was gonna need to have it. And I do. Cause I'm about to eat gravy with everything. You know what I'm saying? So the menu, guys, had a lot of stuff on it though. They had like spaghetti, but there was a little meat in it, and I asked the lady what it was, and she told me it was pork and beef. I'm like, okay. So I couldn't eat that. I don't eat pork. I guess it's like hot dogs. They put hot dog in their spaghetti in the Philippines. So not only could I couldn't get the white meat, y'all, I couldn't get the spaghetti either. Lucky me, right? Couldn't get nothing. So cute. Oh my god. Little flags everywhere that tells me it's spicy. Cute little souvenir. I'm a big fan of well done food, y'all. Like very crispy, very well done. And the legs aren't that well done. It just ain't. But they were very nice. I'll give them that. They were very nice. She was nice enough to give me a bucket. And didn't know why I needed a bucket. But little did she know, I was recording a video. I need the bucket for my sarcasm. I need that bucket for my sarcasm. But I think I told her something else. I forgot what I told her. But she was like, oh, okay. Okay, I'll get you a bucket. I'll get you a bucket. So she got me a bucket. Okay. The spicy chicken time. It's lit right now because it's got 3 flags on it. We must place you somewhere else. I feel like that's a respect thing or something. I don't know. Like, what parts are done? Well done. I don't know. You know, legs can take a long time to cook, y'all. You can't just throw legs in there and say, oh, it's done. These legs are pretty rough. They're pretty rough looking, if you ask me. And I'm not sure why they need 30 minutes to cook white meat. Because most restaurants you go to that you ask for fresh food, they normally say 13, 12, 14 minutes, something like that. I don't know. They told me 30 minutes. So I'm like, are y'all back there cooking it on a house pan? Maybe that's why, or y'all y'all got a fryer back there. I don't know what's going on. But 30 minutes is a little excessive. I thought she said 13 at first. She said, no, 3-0. 3-0. I said, oh, no. No. I was just getting something else on the menu. It's already done. All right, y'all. It's time to say goodbye to the chicken tender. Thank you for being a good sport. You must go back to the undone legs. You can stay there, actually. Back at your original home. Where you belong. While I eat these. Y'all know I love my hot sauce. Come on now. Even though they already got a little spice to them, I'm gonna add a little more. I'm gonna fix these babies up. And put a little ranch on them. Oh yeah, all right, we're good to go. Okay. This one cooked all the way through. This is good. With that hot sauce on there and ranch. Jollibee. I'm disappointed in you. Oh, you ain't done. I still got a pie. Let's go ahead and try the pie out, y'all. Let's go ahead and try this pie out. See how it's popping. See how it's kicking. Come on out. Come on out of there. Popo. This is the peach mango pie. If you do a survey on the receipt, you can get one for free. I was like, oh, okay, I'll come back and get one for free. I'm not gonna do it now. I thought she think I was gonna fill out the survey today. I'm like, nah, I ain't got time for all that. Y'all trying to keep me here all day doing surveys, waiting 30 minutes. I'm ready to go home, lady. I'm ready to eat. Shoot. Mango peach. I can taste the mango. It's falling all over the place. Probably because it ain't done either. I'm over this. I'm just completely over this meal. And I was hungry. I was hungry. All right, y'all. Based on what I just saw, with my own eyes and my own taste buds, I'm gonna have to give Jollibee a, not a B, but a D. For now, until I come back and try out the breast and the wings. I'm pretty sure the breast and wings probably much better. I'm not a dark meat fan anyway. Everybody don't have good, tasty legs. I don't like legs, but sometimes you can find a good place where they have a good, tasty leg. Like I eat Popeye legs. They're good. They're crispy. I'm gonna give them a D because the chicken wasn't thoroughly cooked all the way through. The fries are just okay. I did think that the gravy was pretty decent, y'all. The gravy was pretty good. They ran out of Pepsi. That's what I wanted, so I was forced to get a root beer. The pie, as you can see, emptied itself out. Maybe because it wasn't done either. I don't know. It's like some bread, and they just got a can of mango and just poured it in there and closed up the pie. The things that I like, and the reason why I gave it a D and not a F, I love the little flaggies. They're so cute. The flags were nice. They gave me 3 of these gravies. And the chicken tenders were okay. They were just okay. Other than that, that's what I had to say, y'all. Thank you for tuning in with me. Let me know if you ever had Jollibee before, how you liked it. Or maybe I just had a bad experience today. Maybe it was a bad day in the kitchen. Or I should give them another shot. Maybe I'll go back when I'm not rushing and wait on the chicken breast and the wings. And maybe I'll come back and do another review. But for today, I'm done. Adios.